Oh no. I'm on all four. Say it once, was probably gonna say it again. Keep watching where I'm gonna drive and not where I currently am driving. If we could just get the rear end to settle down and then the front end to hook up. It pushed us a little bit too far to make the line that we want. There we go. So if anybody doesn't know about the Perfect Pass Monster servos, they're made in the same factory as Reefs, and they're basically a Reefs 777 for only $120. And I like them. I haven't run it that long, but it's powerful. I can't really speak to the reliability factor. Let's sauce up our tires real quick here. Get them nice and dusty. And then we'll try and creepy crawl. Oh. Sidewall bite. Check. Dang. If I was smarter about it, I maybe could make this. It's gonna be hard because there's a lot of belly bite. Go back and then back this way. Let's see if we can. Oh, nope. That wasn't it. We could not use the sidewall to drag us up that truck. So I'm gonna fix this because it's bugging me. I like my body on the inside of the rock sliders because I do. Alright, I'm gonna try and go something like that. Oh my god, that tire. Look at that. Mush, mush, mush. I bought Endura silicones. And I'm gonna replace it with that. See, if I'm just like think and slow down, I can do it. It just drives right up it. But when I drive like I normally do, which I guess is like a bit of an a-hole, then yeah, I don't know if we're at a very good angle and it's doing that thing again. Oh man, if our rear tire was up on that rock back there, that rock back there, okay, let's try it at a bigger angle this time. From this way. Too big. Too big. There we go. No. And then it rips our rear end around. Turn around. Point the direction I want you to, mister. I wish there was a way to like drive up it and keep my driver tire on that one rock. Dude. I don't know, I didn't break something there. I don't even know if it was on camera. I get too into it, you guys, and then I'm not filming where I'm going. And I'm not going where I'm filming. Okay, we're gonna try and drive up onto this big flat rock. I was distracted. This is a lame excuse, but I was distracted by somebody walking behind me. Boy. That person. I was like, what is that noise? It's this weird little baby stroller. Let's try it again. Try it again. That didn't work. Trying it again and failing is always not that fun. Rob, Rob. Fucking Rob. This thing just motors. Man, that brass, did you just see it hold it down? It's holding it down. Oh. Something happened there. And there it is again. I ripped my freaking shock tube out again. Yup. Why is that happening? Okay, there we go. We got it on there. Here we got it tight. It was the same shock tube, so I don't know. I probably didn't get it on there tight at first or something, maybe. Man, the truck has gotten dirty this run. Oh, that was actually what I wanted to do, believe it or not. I was going to hook it back around, come back down this little valley. Went from being stuck on one thing to another. There goes my shock tube again. I swear it's got to be stripped. It has to be stripped. Come on, man. Fucking Incision. Get your shit together, man. That's just fucking shocks suck. I don't know why, like Vantage, like what do we call it? Vantage, Vanquish. Changed all the other stuff that was an issue with the 2004 to 2005 update of the stance. And the one thing that they didn't address was the shock tubes. I guess not the shock tubes, it's the shocks in general. Fuck. Like I'm about to buy Endura shocks. Just so I don't have to run these IS8s. I didn't get it tight because... Is it stripped? Yeah, it's stripped. Ah, man. Okay, so I'm gonna have to go back to freaking RC Country Hobbies, and I'm gonna have to see if they have Incision shock rebuilds. Damn it. It makes me so angry. Not really. I might have to buy Endura shocks though. If these keep pissing me off. Because I'm broke. I've already put too many parts into this, and one of them I was not budgeting for was shocks, because that's like an extra $100, and I wish the shocks that were on it were just good enough. Damn it. Wow. Just freaking clawed our way up that one. And I'm probably going to roll off of it unless I can get lucky. Nope. I did not get lucky, as you can see. I can't drive it off, no matter how hard I try. We could have just clawed our way over a little bit to the side like this. Then we still would have slid off. Damn it. See, that's kind of like a good thing about, you kind of like reset the truck and you're like, I wish I would have like hit it at this angle. And you're like, redo it at that angle. And you're like, ooh, it wouldn't have made a difference. That was weird. Crap. And it's getting pretty dark, and I've been filming for a long time, so I guess I'm gonna wrap it up, you guys. So stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment for more RC content. I'm gonna be playing with crawlers. I really want to get like truggy or a buggy. And there goes my shock tube again. Yeah, like a truggy or a buggy would be fun, and I like do a little bit of off-road outdoor racing. I saw some guys like short course, circle course racing, and it looked like a lot of fun. So maybe I could learn to do that.